Okay, so welcome to this course. It was previously named Intermediate Bash and Linux. Now it's named Linux Command Line 201 because it sort of goes together with the Linux Command Line 101, which is the basic one for those who do not really have much background in Linux. So this is for those who know some Linux and already is using it. So it's estimated to 6 hours. We are giving it in 2 half days, today and tomorrow. And as I said, it's given on the NAISS by Richel from UPPMAX and me, Birgitte, from HPC2N. And we are going to hopefully teach you how to work smarter from a command line. And by the way, you can join either day or both as you want. Whatever works for you, just join the parts that looks good for you. So we will teach you some more bash commands, some scripting, and some quality of life topics. And you hopefully have your own Linux computer or an HPC cluster that you already have access to that you can use. So let me go to the schedule. And this is the schedule. So today there's the introduction, which is what I'm going to give now. And after that, I will go on to talk about pipe, WC, and cut. And after that, Richel takes over, talking about regular expressions and grep, and then about sed. And tomorrow we will look into scripting, and then some more about advanced redirect, environment variables and links, and then various quality of life, compressing and tarring things up and things like this. So let's go ahead and go to the actual introduction. So if you need the syllabus and stuff, I mean, you find it out here. It's the schedule, and the index is you can just click here, or you can click these small house symbols, and you go to back. Most of the commands you will learn in this course are agnostic, and they will work on any Linux-like system or any Unix-like system. And most of the HPC centers in Sweden, they have Bash as default for many different reasons, but one is that that's what's compatible with Slurm, which is a batch scheduler that you are using, and you have probably used it already if you are using any of the HPC centers. But in any case, that's one reason to use it, because it's compatible with that. Another is that it's good for scripting. In any case, we are going to use Bash for this course. There is a page where we have gathered the important information. It's this one here. And there's a Q&A page for questions that you can ask while I'm talking, for instance. There's this one here. You can type something here and then Richel will answer it while I talk. Or you can ask in the chat, the Zoom chat. And of course, you can also ask me. So there will be a few exercises. Most of them are on the pages, but there are some files that are useful when you're working with them. And those files are in the exercises tarball. And you get that from this here. So I am going to go ahead and do that to show how it works. So I'm going to create a directory for this. And I'm calling it Linux 201. And inside there, I'm going to fetch this tarball that I've got, and then I'm going to unpack it. And both of these things are described here. So you do it with this command here. You can put a dash in front of it if you want to, or you can not do it. Either works for tar. Opposite how it is for usual. Most commands actually needs a dash, but tar doesn't care. So here are the exercises. And under the exercises directory, it's split up in various sections. So I'll tell you which one to go to. Afterwards, there will be an evaluation, but that's not until tomorrow. So let's continue